SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off roaming on an iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your iPhone is able to connect to cellular networks all over the world, but depending on your cellular plan, you might get charged extra if you're in a foreign country or on a network that isn't covered by your provider. If you would like to turn off data roaming so that you can prevent any excessive charges while traveling, then you can open the Settings app, scroll down, and choose the Cellular option. You can then select Cellular Data Options, and then you can tap the button to the right of Data Roaming to turn it off. Now, if you're outside of your network, then your iPhone will not connect to any cellular network that might incur roaming charges. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.